PundiX holders doing a very big mistake at this time, my friends. If you are a holder of PundiX, so keep watch this video till the end, friends, because in this video I'm talking about the holders big mistake. So absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you're in the loss, and if you are and be safe from loss, my friends. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Keep watch this video for more details. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now. Stay channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now the latest price of the PundiX in the market is 1.73 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the PundiX in the market. On the other side, if we look the price changes occurs in the PundiX, so absolutely, my friends. The last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is again positive, my friends. Only and only the last 1 day pricing is negative, my friends. Oh my goodness, except of last 1 day, the pricing, the previous last 1 week pricing is positive, my friends. So that's means that from the yesterday, the price of the PundiX is fast down. Let's see, my friends, what's going on in the PundiX. My friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 month price chart of the PundiX. And the start of the new month, you can see the start of May, the price of PundiX is fast down, my friends. Fast down, fast down, fast down, of course. And now currently they are also in the falling mode, my friends. Why the current situation of the PundiX is in the fast? You can avoid the previous last 1 week pricing is positive and the last 1 day pricing as negative. So my friends, as you know, it is the end of month. In the end of month, a lot of short-term investors, especially the short-term investor, going to sell has coin and they want profit from these coin, friends. You know what? But if you decide to sell PundiX at this time, so that is the biggest mistake of holders doing at this time, my friends. Don't decide to sell and it's time to hold, my friends. You know what? That is the last 1 month price chart of the PundiX, and you can see here that the last 1 month price change is negative 50.22% price is fast down, my friends. You can see the highest price of the PundiX in the last 1 month is 3.49 USD dollar. And you can see now the current price is 1.73 USD dollars, so approximately a 1.50 USD dollar loss you occur if you decide to sell, my friends. Don't decide to sell and it's time to hold, my friends. And my personal recommendation, my personal suggestion is also that it's time to hold. And I'm also predicted my prediction about PundiX is 100% positive. I believe that in the start of June, huge pump of the PundiX are coming soon, my friends. So wait for it and be safe from loss. Don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about PundiX? Please share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe every channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.